Century meant risking death in Buffalo. And I've never in my life seen anything that bad. Corey and his sister Carla had to take refuge in a Target store, camping out for 2 nights. The snow would not let up. Carla posted to TikTok about how many people were sleeping in the Target.
The first night, I'd like to estimate around 25 to 30 people, although the next morning we did have about 5 more people come in.
Managers gave them blow-up mattresses to make themselves feel at home. It was, after all, Christmas Eve. What did you guys eat while you were there? Hot Pockets. Yeah. You lived on Hot Pockets? I did. I like Hot Pockets. They even unboxed one of the store's TVs to watch football.
We all kind of just sat there, just like a little family watching the Bills game.
Do you guys feel lucky to be alive right now?
Oh, for sure. Yes, of course. And it's all because of Target, honestly.
Jessica Sipnewski spent the night at Target with her 2 kids. She was scared they would die in the parking lot.
It was a huge relief when I walked in there. I literally cried. I mean, because I was scared for our lives sitting in the car with nowhere to go.
And these 2 pals housed and fed 140 people over 2 days. The Alabama Hotel outside Buffalo is just a restaurant, even though hotel is in the title. Still, manager Joe Bratt made room for anyone who showed up.
They slept on the dining room floor. They slept with their heads down in the bar. They slept on the bar floor. And we did this for 2 days.
And this tragic video of the howling wind was taken by 22-year-old Andell Taylor. She sent it to her family, telling them she was stuck in her car. Sadly, she would die inside her vehicle, one of dozens who died in the Buffalo Christmas blizzard no one here will ever forget.
This is my thing. How on earth can the manosphere find this woman passing away in her car as something to laugh about? And clearly she wasn't near a Target to be able to go inside the Target. So it looked like she was on a freeway or something like that. It didn't look like anything was around her. It didn't look like she could go to any place. And if it's true that 25 other people besides her passed away during that blizzard, and you're hearing already the commentary from the people that did actually make it into Target or restaurants to hunker down for 2 days, they were scared. This is something they've never experienced, and they experience snow every year. So I'm still wondering how it's funny that this black woman passed away and the manosphere is giggling and giddy about it. Do you know how retarded that sounds? What kind of fucked up are you in your head that you think that was funny?